Hi, my name is Mason. Connect your FordPass on your phone. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're connected to your phone on your FordPass by logging in and registering. And once you're in, it's going to give you a plus button to add the vehicle into your FordPass. Once you do that, you're going to step outside the vehicle and you're going to scan the VIN tag on the side of the door on the vehicle. Once you click on the plus sign, it's going to give you scan or enter your VIN number. You're going to click on the camera picture here, and then you're going to go down to the vehicle. With this specific vehicle, the VIN tag is right underneath the vehicle door panel. So you're going to head over here and you're going to scan the VIN number. Once it's scanned, your vehicle is going to be verified in the FordPass. Once your vehicle has been verified by FordPass, it's going to give you an option to choose the nickname for your vehicle. I'm going to choose for this vehicle, perhaps going to be Ford just for now. In the meantime, once it's been able to verify, it's going to click on your vehicle that you registered. It's going to show you a screen on the first here on the home page to activate your vehicle. Once you click that, it's going to communicate with your vehicle. And by doing that on this side of the vehicle, you make sure your vehicle is connected to some sort of hotspot or Wi-Fi in the meantime. And once it's connected, it's going to show you a prompt screen here to enable FordPass on the connected service. You're going to click yes. Once you click yes, it's going to say congratulations, your FordPass has been connected. You just want to click OK in the meantime. Once it's click OK, your vehicle is going to, on your phone here, is going to show you how to click to accept prompt in the vehicle. You're going to press got it, and then you're going to refresh the screen in about 10 to 15 seconds. Usually should let you automatically activate the FordPass. After loading here, it already accepted and activated. It gives you the prompt on this. If you have this prompt right here on these FordPass, it means you've done it correctly. Once you have the vehicle connected on your phone, 3 features that Ford has offered you once you have it connected is the remote and unlock button. You don't have to have the keys on you. You can leave it on the table and unlock it from the phone. They also offer an option to remote start on the phone as well. My name is Mason. I am a service advisor at Bell Ford. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.